Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use layers on Photoshop. First of all, we're going to open an image. I'll be using this one of a model. Right, and then here is the background image, the original, and I'm going to duplicate this to create two more layers so I can edit the image without affecting the original one. So, duplicate layer, and I'm going to call it background copy 1. And I'm also going to do this one more time and call that background copy 2. So now we're going to edit background copy 1. So click on that and remove the background and background copy 2. So the eye is only on background copy 1. Then I'm going to go to settings, edit, image and curves. And I'm just going to exaggerate the image very low so the image is a lot darker. There you go. And as you can see, the image is now a lot darker than the original. So if I click on background and I click on background copy 1, that's the original. And then I click on background copy 1 and there's my edit. Now we're going to edit background copy 2 differently. So we're going to click off all 3 and then click on background copy 2 so the eye is only on background copy 2. I'm going to go to image, adjustments and exposure. I'm going to really exaggerate the image. There you go. As you can see, I've made the image very blurred and not as good quality. And there we have it. As you can see, there's background copy 2, there's background copy 1, both of them together, and there's the original. I hope you liked the tutorial.